skincare for lazy people. If you're lazy like me when it comes to skincare, watch this video and see how I do my lazy skincare routine. First of all, I already showered, and while showering, I use this Paula's Choice. Can you see it? This is Paula's Choice Oil Reducing Cleanser. I use it to wash my face. You just sprinkle some water on your face and use this to wash your face. Once you're done washing your face, you're supposed to use a face towel. But because I'm lazy, I used a paper towel to just damp my face. At times, I just leave my face to dry. And once my face is dried, as you can see, it's a bit whitish. I go in with, let me show you guys, my face cream. I go in with my face cream. So I use the CeraVe, or is it CeraVe moisturizing lotion. This is it. Just for those that are into skincare, those skincare gurus, they will do like this. They'll put it on their hand like this, and just, but because we don't have time for all of that, we are rushing to go and lie down back on our bed because we are lazy. You rub it like glue. Make sure you rub everything, rub your neck. I'll just add a little bit more like this. No time. Not a skincare expert. I'm just a lazy girl trying to do skincare. Usually I'm supposed to use that band and is this scrunchies they put on their hand, you know. But no time for all of that. I'm rushing now to go and lie down back on the bed. That's why I'm using this my regular bonnet. Okay. Make sure everything is well massaged in your face like this, like this, like this. And then you just rub just so that it can penetrate inside your face. And once that is done, I go in with my vitamin C. Let me show you guys. So I use the Paula's Choice as well. C15 Super Booster. This is it. And this one with this one, I got them from Paula's Choice. So you can either get it on Paula's Choice website or on Notino. You can get either of them from Notino or Paula's Choice. Ideally, when you've taken it like this, you put it, oh, this is waste of time. Waste of time. I'll put everything in my hand like this. Remember, we're lazy. Rub your neck. Massage everything. Blow, 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 blow. Yes, the vitamin C has now penetrated inside my skin. What next? I'll go in with my La Roche-Posay. Yeah, this one, 50 plus SPF. You can get this from Boots or any drugstore. Ideally, again, you do like this, you know. You know how those skincare gurus do it, but no time. Remember, this is a lazy girl skincare routine, right? Once again, you rub. Ensure that it penetrates inside your skin. And last but not the least, fan. And we're done with our lazy girl skincare routine. time to go and sleep, because that's what lazy girls do. 4 items, and that's all. You've done your skincare. You wash your face with this Paula's Choice oil reducing cleanser, and then you go in with this CeraVe face cream. The third one, vitamin C from Paula's Choice as well. The last one, this La Roche-Posay 50 plus SPF sunscreen, and you're done. Let me know if you've tried any of this, or if you have any skincare recommendation for a lazy girl like me. See you in my next video. Bye. Remain blessed.